To make a Crypto.com account, start by going to the Crypto.com website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, you will receive a verification email from Crypto.com. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. This is a security measure to ensure that your email address is valid and belongs to you. After verifying your email address, you will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, date of birth, and country of residence. This information is required to comply with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. You will also be asked to set up two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. You can choose to receive a verification code via SMS or use an authenticator app. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be logged in to your Crypto.com account. From here, you can navigate to the account settings page to complete your profile and verify your identity. This includes uploading a government-issued ID and proof of address. Verifying your identity is an important step, as it allows you to access all the features and services offered by Crypto.com, including buying and selling cryptocurrencies. To verify your identity, follow the instructions on the account settings page and upload the required documents. After your identity has been verified, you can fund your Crypto.com account by depositing fiat currency or cryptocurrencies. You can do this by navigating to the deposit page and following the instructions. Finally, make sure to keep your Crypto.com account secure by using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and monitoring your account activity regularly. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure that your cryptocurrencies are safe. By following these steps, you can easily create a Crypto.com account and start buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to always follow best practices and take necessary security measures to protect your account and your assets.